So Mike and I, the three of us, and Jeff, I think that's all that's here right now, worked for the City of Greensboro at some point. I was there first. I hired these two jack legs, and got Jeff in as well. But then when I left, I took everybody with me. So I'm sorry to the City of Greensboro. But we were here, when was it? It was 2018. It was April 15th, 2018, right?
Yeah, it started.
We had a tornado come through Greensboro. It started about 3 or 4 miles down the road, and it ran northeast. I mean, it took out a bunch of stuff on a Sunday afternoon. But anyway, all of us were on storm cleanup for weeks. But what Mike was referring to was the mayor came out with a news crew behind her, jumped out of the car while the news crews were there, grabbed one limb and did something with it just so she could make the news. So they're telling me that's all I'm doing is out here with a rake or a shovel for a minute, acting like I'm doing something. Yeah, Mike said he got deja vu. Smart tail. Anyway, it's about the truth, I feel like. As much as I'd rather be out here, I just don't have the time. So I just show up, do the dumb stuff, and then I leave and let them handle the hard stuff. So I'm not taking away from it. As long as the camera's rolling, that's when I work.